Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today you'll be learning some words you can use when in a hair salon or barber shop. Sometimes it's easier to tell what you want done to your hair using Filipino. Starting with Pagupit. This could translate to get a haircut in English. Pa-gu-pit. Pagupit. 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 Pagupit po. Pagupit po ako, kuya. Pagupit po ako, ate. Pakulay means dye hair. Pa-ku-lay. Pakulay. 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 Pakulay po ako. Pakulay po ako, ate. Pakulay po ako, kuya. The next one is Pakulot, which translates to get a perm. Pa-ku-lot. Pakulot. 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 Pakulot po ako. Pakulot po ako, kuya. Pakulot po ako, ate. Paplantsa. This could mean to straighten the hair, usually using a hair iron or hair tong. Pa-plan-cha. Paplantsa. 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 Paplantsa po. Paplantsa po ako, ate. Paplantsa po ako ng buhok, ate. The last but not the least, Pashave. This means shave hair. Pa-shave. Pashave. 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 Pashave po sa gilid, kuya. Pashave po sa likod, kuya. Pashave po dito, kuya. These are just some of the most common words you can use when you're in a hair salon or barber shop. Now, let's practice. This means get a haircut. Pagupit. This means to dye hair. Pakulay. To get a perm. Pakulot. To straighten hair. Paplantsa. This means to shave hair. Pashave. I hope you find these words useful the next time you go to a hair salon or a barber shop and talk to some locals. Try using them and surprise your hairstylist or barber. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.